Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make a video about how to speak native English.
Yeah, native English. And also don't remember to like and subscribe to Smart Shamik channel.
Okay, so the native English is also known as the international language.
Yes.
And Hindi is a national language.
Yeah, in India.
So, if some students of India or Indian students are shy or really properties of only Hindi, they should be learn the native English.
Some teachers also say speaking English students English is really good.
Yes. So if you travel like Greece,
America,
of course Switzerland and other countries which are good, you can travel.
USA.
Okay, so
Don't go.
if you are going to the good countries, you have to only learn English.
If we are going to
Like bad countries and
Like
anti-socialist
Pakistan.
countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Syria, these are all anti-social countries because people are good, but armies, politicians are really bad. They are unkind and rude.
yes.
So you should have to go to the another countries which are good and good speaker of English.
Yeah, like my favorite country, USA.
Yes, USA is most talkative of English.
Yes.
And other countries is like the Russia, you can speak only really little English.
Yes.
But most English is important for only Indian children.
Yeah.
Now you.
So, Neori said that also that English is really important for Indian kids. Also, my shy friends, you have to learn English, which is really good.
Yes, your pronunciation will superlative. And you can also control your talking behavior.
Yes, your tone. So, like in the Batman pronunciation, like Neo said, I am rich. So you have to say that.
And not even stylish.
Yeah.
First, the basic thing is try to learn English. Read
Yes.
books and talk to your relatives or families for like that. But, example, if your cousin is coming today and he has arrived, so you only know Hindi and your cousin knows English. So your cousin cannot understand what you are saying and you cannot understand what your cousin is saying. So that's why if you know the other relatives are coming with their own language, you should also practice their language for talking.
Yes. So, storybooks are really good for now. You can also learn the basics English, medium English, and also hard English is like pronunciation. Right, Neo?
Yes, and also don't forget for sentences.
Yes.
It's like put it away. So, put and it are two T. So, we will sound like little bit I pronounce.
Yes.
Like ru. Put it away. Like that.
So the English like sentence of vocabulary, you have to improve your vocabulary. It's really good, friends. Like you have to watch our channel because we also speak in English. We always speak in English.
Of course, find out some English cartoons, English movies, and speak the dialogues in only English, so you can pronounce and improve
Your English.
Of course. So you have already heard, guys, that English is also known as the international language because of your teachers. Teachers teach you. So teachers also should also teach English.
Yes.
Yes, so if anyone hears the eldest persons hear the child's talk like Hindi, the elder should say talk in English. If they don't know, you have to teach them.
Yes.
Instead of teaching, say to the children, read many books.
Yeah. You mean storybooks.
Of course. Even grammar and vocabulary books.
Yeah. The vocabulary for me is really good. Like our vocabulary book why do we have vocabulary books? You are maybe questioning this because vocabulary books are used for improving your sentence making and word meaning and improving your vocabulary skills.
Of course. And buy a book for you it's like the super English question answers.
Yes.
That will improve your skills and native skills.
Native skills are really good. For vocabulary, grammar books are usually more favorite of mine. What's your favorite English, Neo?
My favorite English are like super story books and the vocabulary question answer books.
Me too. Same.
I calculate every English questions and write the answer. So one more thing, write in practice.
Yeah.
If you only know how to write Hindi, the other countries would not understand.
Yes, the Hindi is like our India's national language, but the most important is indeed English. English is really good.
And also write in practice. Write daily. If your handwriting is also dirty or untidy, you should write for practicing.
Yes, you have to practice your handwriting. Now my handwriting is really good. Imagine you want to write my cousin is here. You are writing a dirty handwriting like Avi Kala Kuala. So I just forget that. So
you also write English like super like that really untidy. So very untidy. Your cousin will not understand properly.
Yes.
If you write tidy, your cousin will understand properly.
Yes. If you like this, so
if write it in English, if you scribble, then you have to practice more and more.
more.
So that's the end of the video. Bye.